Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write 10-line essay on Rabindranath Tagore. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, Rabindranath Tagore was a renowned poet, playwright, and philosopher. Second line is, he was born on May 7, 1861 in Kolkata, India. Third line is, his literary works include poems, songs, essays, and dramas, making him a prolific writer. Fourth line is, he was the first Asian to receive the Nobel Prize in Literature. Fifth line is, his works reflect his deep love for nature, spirituality, and humanism. Sixth line is, he was a visionary and worked for social and political reforms. Seventh line is, his contributions to Indian art, music, and culture are widely recognized and celebrated. eighth line is he established the Visva Bharati University, which aimed to promote a unique blend of Indian and Western education and culture. Next line is his philosophy of universal brotherhood and harmony among people of different races and religions continues to inspire. Last line, that is line number 10, is he continues to be regarded as a beloved figure in Indian and international literature due to his legacy as a diverse artist.